Hello dear students and welcome to the cryptocurrency never losing formula Bitcoin robot trading course. I am very happy to introduce you with the course and I will just go over quickly to every important step in the course. The first thing we will go through is the introduction to the platform MetaTrader 4 or 5. It's up to you which one you want to choose, but basically this is the most trusted algorithmic trading platform where you can attach a robot and it will execute the trades for you. I will show you exactly how that works and I will show you the basics of the platform. The other thing that we will go through is the never losing formula in trading. Simply the purpose of this formula is to exit every losing trade with zero losses or with a small profit. I have calculated this formula especially for the Bitcoin because it's the most traded asset and it's very volatile recently, so we need to make sure that we are not going to have any losses with it. The trend with the Bitcoin is very important thing with the robot because basically we're using the robot only to execute the trades in our favor together with the trend direction on a daily or a weekly chart. Basically we're trading with the major direction of the price. I will show you exactly the strategy we are using, what is the logic behind the robot, how we have created it, how we have tested it, and what results actually you can achieve with it. Also what indicators are standing behind the robot and how we are using it, and I will give you a little bit more information for those of you who are curious about it. And of course at the end I will try to shoot as many examples as I can. Hopefully by the end of the course I will be able to shoot a couple of examples so you'll have a clear idea how it works and you will be able to understand how exactly I'm using the robot combined with the direction of the trend and together combined with the never losing formula. I hope you will enjoy the course, guys. If you have any questions, always write on the dashboard. I will be always there to answer. Have a pleasant watching. Cheers.